Hey everyone, happy Wednesday. We're going to take a look at your directions today for your next task in our short story and fiction unit. So let's get to it. Let's take a look. All right, so today your learning target is I can identify and analyze conflict and theme by doing a close reading of The Gift of the Magi by O. Henry. If you are right here, you should be watching these videos. If you see my face, great job. We're going to go through our video directions. Just like we did on Monday, we are in 3 phases here. We're going to break this up and between each phase give ourselves a little bit of a break. So phase 1 is explore, phase 2 is analyze, and then phase 3 is apply. And remember, we're going to do as much as we can in the class time that we have. So please do not stress out too much. If there's a little bit left at the end, we will find a solution, okay? So phase 1 we're exploring. We're going to look at conflict and theme now that we know the elements of plot. This is a mini lesson with yours truly leading it, and it has some directions here on how to go through this video. And as you watch, your job is to look for the types of conflict. There's a slide where we talk about that, and you are going to find an icon or a picture that matches each type of conflict. So you may have to pause the video and toggle between the two for a couple minutes. Here's a link to an icon finder, or you can use Google Images for that. Awesome! And then down here there's a question about theme. This takes straight out of that slide. This is a fill in the blank sentence. So you can just look at the slides, and when I go over that in the slides, fill in that blank. Okay? And then remember, stop, take a 3-minute break, stretch, get some water, but don't forget to come back. Awesome. Phase 2 is analysis. So we're going to look at a different short story today. This one is super touching. I really like this one. It's very nice. So we're going to apply what we learned by looking at The Gift of the Magi by O. Henry. And you can listen to it here, or you can read the text. It's the same thing. And as you are reading, however you choose to do that, we're going to come up with 3 main events like we did for the fun they had as well. What are the 3 most important main events? Okay? Once you've done that, pause, take a break, go get some water, maybe a little snack, pet your dog or whatever pet you have at home, and then come back. And then finally, our last one is application. So after reading, we're going to take a deeper look at The Gift of the Magi. So we had some events up here that we talked about, and you're going to use those events to write another PEA. And I've already started it for you. We are thinking about themes specifically. So based on those events, what lesson can we learn, or what lessons did our characters learn? And you're going to try your best at PEA. So again, I have it started for you with sentence stems. Here it's asking you to find a quote, okay? And then here, this shows the theme because. Please do your absolute best on that. Just give it your best shot, and we will go from there, okay? Here's another Bitmoji that maybe looks like me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is that me? I tried. We'll see. All right, so if you guys are done with that, fantastic. Let me know how I can help you and support you. And thank you so much for your hard work.